Hello, Peter Van here, the Dent Fix guy. Today we've got the Dent Fix DF-EZN1 Easy Nitro nitrogen plastic welding system. This is the most economically priced, smallest platform, and easiest to use nitrogen plastic welder on the market. Today we're just going to go over some of its basic features and how to get started using it. Starting with your air fitting. Right here, you need to install your air nipple, whatever size works properly for your shop. Once you've done that, you can plug in your air hose. And the next thing you want to do is check this regulator right here. That's your air pressure regulator. Always check the flow with a torch on the side of the flow you're checking. If you check it when it's on the incorrect flow side, it'll read high. It adjusts with the knob on the back by pulling out the knob and adjusting it. Ensure that it's on 20 psi. Install your tank regulator. The yellow tube that comes with it plugs into the fitting right next to your air input. And you want to set your tank regulator on 20 psi. Always check your flow of your nitrogen regulator with the nitrogen flow. You'll notice that it drops down a bit. It should be on 20 psi with the nitrogen flowing. So right now, with the flow switch on the air cool down side, you can check your air pressure. When you want to confirm your nitrogen pressure, flip it to the weld side. You can check, make sure it's on 20 psi. Once you got that going, you know things are good. A good way to physical check the flow through the welder is with the airflow. You want to feel the flow about this far away, around 8 inches away. When you put on the welding flow, you'll notice you only feel it about 3 inches away. Next, plug the welder. You can either plug it into the power strip that's provided, or you can plug it directly into the wall. Make sure the power is on the power strip if you've got it plugged in there. Plugging in the power strip does ensure a little more safety because there's a circuit breaker incorporated with the power strip that can help ensure against overloads. Your main power switch on. This knob is for your nitrogen torch. Your nitrogen torch right here. Turns on with a click and then adjusts the temperature. You'll find that this welder loves to weld on 6 all day long, no matter what you're welding. It's rare that you ever need to change it for any types of plastics. Next, you've got your airless welder, the blue wand. This is the knob for the airless welder. Again, works great on 6. You will find that it takes about twice as long for the airless welder to warm up than the nitrogen welder, which takes about 10 minutes to get to full heat. Now that your welder's up and running, it's ready to weld. So let's go through some of the features that came with. You've got your Z brackets on the side for winding up your hoses, and including maybe putting a small air hose on here. You've got your heat gun and stapler holster. This is perfect for any standard heat gun, and we've designed it to accept our DF-800BR thermal stapler. So you've got your plastic repair tools all right there. The welder also comes with a hand seamer, 150 feet of aluminum tape, and a wide assortment of plastic rods for your different type of welding needs. When you're not welding, make sure that your flow switch is on the cool down side. When you're welding, make sure your switch is on the weld side. That's why we call it easy, because it's that easy to use. Just flip the switch to what you want it to do. The DF-EZN1 Easy Nitro is by far the easiest plastic welder to use. Thank you.